Welcome to the personal property tour from Millhouse 4 Burnside in Auchtermuchty. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom detached property. You've got 2 reception rooms, you've got an abundance of off-street parking, you've got multi-tiered garden to the rear as well. It's in moving condition, it's in a great spot. I'm looking forward to taking you on the tour. So this is the property here. You can see just all that light coming in, it's beautiful. So you have parking area here. Your driveway is literally just here. You've got apple trees, it's gorgeous. And then you come around and you'll see the side of the property. So this is the side of the property, isn't it beautiful? And immediately you can see you've got that great conservatory space. But we're going to start upstairs and I will take you on the tour. Okay, so we are in the inner hallway, so we're just going to head upstairs and start with the bedrooms. So when we come to the upper landing, we have 4 bedrooms and a family bathroom up here. So we're going to start with bedroom number 1, which is straight ahead. So this is currently utilised as a home office. It's a great space and you'll see nice and bright. You've got dual aspect windows, plenty of storage, great home office working area. It's a really great space. So a really good use of this bedroom for home office working. Come back out into the upper landing. We're going to head into bedroom number 2. Immediately you'll see it's a really nice size double. Lots of light coming in as well with the 3 windows. Love this one, it's like a window seat, really pretty. But plenty of space in here. And you can see just how lovely and bright and spacious it is. You've got storage at the bottom as well. Plenty of space for wardrobes, etc. So that's bedroom number 2. We're going to head into bedroom number 3. So straight ahead, another really nice size double. Lovely big deep recessed window. Lots of natural light, again plenty of storage available. It's a good sized double room, as you can see. And then we'll head back out into the upper landing and then we'll go along the hallway here to bedroom number 4. This is a really nice sized room. That's an extensive king size bed, lots of space, again lots of natural light. You have your window over here, but then you have double window to this side as well, so really lovely and bright, plenty of space for storage, as you can see. It's a lovely big sized room. Lovely and bright. And then from here we'll go back into the upper landing, and off of the upper landing we also have the master bathroom, so that's just straight ahead of us. So as soon as we come in you'll see immediately you've got this great cupboard space, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, plenty of storage, your WC, you have your bath with your thermostatic shower and your rainfall water shower head, but great space up here. Really finished nicely. Then from here we're going to head downstairs. So when you come down you can see it's lovely and open and bright. You've got nice storage here as well. This doorway takes you out to the side garden. You come into the lounge, which is beautiful. It's a great space. So bright, because again you've got 3 big windows here. And these are big seating arrangements. Plenty of space. Isn't it lovely? And you have this fabulous log burner as well. So a great addition for those winter nights. It's a lovely room. And big sofas, aren't they? Lots of space still. Got all this inbuilt storage here as well. There's storage under the stairwell. And actually, bedroom number 5, you could potentially use this as a dining room, but it's a great size double. Again, you've got the double windows to the bottom, so lovely and bright. Plenty of storage options there as well. So really nice size room. And then we go back out into the lounge. Then off of the lounge, we come into the inner hallway. So the sunroom is just in here, which is great. Really lovely bright space. overlooking the garden, so completely peaceful and enclosed. But then also off the hallway you have a WC in here. So you have your WC, your vanity wash hand basin, you've got storage here and a big walk-in cupboard here as well. So it's a great additional space to have on this level. Then you go into the kitchen. So the kitchen's recently been renovated, so lovely social space. Nice and bright again. You've got dual aspect windows. You've got a window to the side and you've got 2 windows here. You've got the lovely stained glass door as well. You do have your integrated appliances as well. So you have your dishwasher, you have your oven, your hob and your extractor. Plenty of room for your white goods, your big fridge freezer, and lots of storage as well. Really nice room. Then we come back out into the hallway. We're going to head out into the garden. So we come through the sunroom again to actually go outside. Let me just have another look at that. So it's a great space when you come outside as well. So immediately you come out, so you can see the driveway is just here. So easy access. So you get cars down the side and also down the other side. So plenty of space. Got this beautiful apple tree here as well. Lots of space for log store, but parking down here. Got your double garage area, access area at your gates. You've got your parking there, and it has, as I was saying, just up to the double garage. So plenty of space up there. You've got a great social space here as well. So you've got this lovely decked area, so nice for dining and entertaining. Plenty space for the children to play. You've got a hot tub area as well. It's a really lovely house. But the best part about it as well, it actually has a little hidden garden. So we've got the side, we have another garden area. So we just head up this walkway. And then we have an elevated garden up here as well, which I think is lovely. Nice and peaceful. So lovely enclosed space where you can set up your seating and just enjoy the views. And you can see it's quite a long garden up here as well. There's plenty of space up here. You've got the bramble bushes too. You've got your shed. Lots of bramble bushes here as well. It's just a great social space. It's really nice, isn't it? And you can see the rooftop of the house as well, just as we go down here. So again, you can see a lovely house there as well. So just to recap, this is a personal property tour. It's from Millhouse, 4 Burnside in Auchtermuchty. It's a 5-bedroom detached property. You've got 2 reception rooms. You've got an abundance of off-street parking. You've got double garage, nice elevated garden. Lovely and peaceful, you can just hear the birds. It's in a great location. The bus routes are literally just outside. So taking the kids to Baxter, you've got the primary school. Great commuter links from Ladybank train station as well as Cooper train station. You've got all the walks, the hill walking, the cycling routes. It's a fantastic spot actually. This is on market with ourselves at the moment. Offers over 325,000. If this is of interest to you, you can message me here directly. And likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. And it's Perry at 5 Property TV. Take care. Bye bye.